subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Google has launched its new smartphone under Pixel 6 lineup globally called Google Pixel 6a, and it is most affordable smartphone compared to Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro smartphone with quite similar design. Talking about the specifications, the Google Pixel 6a features a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Google Tensor chipset along with the Titan M2 security core processor paired with Mali G78 MP20 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Google Pixel 6a supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 12.2MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 12MP ultra wide-angle lens with 114° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 out of the box with 5 years guaranteed OS updates by the company, and it is backed by a large 4410 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 152.2 by 71.8 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 178 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Google Pixel 6a has been priced in the US at $449. And it is set to be available for pre-orders in the country starting from July 21st in chalk, charcoal, and sage color options. So what do you guys think of this Google Pixel 6a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.